Good morning. Have I been on here in forever? Oh my gosh, when is the last time I was on here? I don't know. Anyways, I have always been picking up my camera and vlogging, but I just haven't been editing and posted it on here. But I'm about to be more consistent now. I am getting ready for today. Today is July 9th. It is Wednesday. I am getting ready. I'm about to make my bed. And as you guys can see, we have moved. Yay! But yeah, I'm about to make my bed and I will pick you guys up right after that. Alright, finished making my bed. Now I am about to put things away that I use at night, like my heating pad for my arm. My arm has been swollen. I have to wear a I have to wear a lot of things. I have to wear a compression sleeve, I have to wear a compression glove, and I have to wear a brace. I don't have it on right now, but I will be putting it on. Right now, I have it in my little mini fridge because, and like the freezer part, because I like the way it feels on my hand after it's been frozen all night. So yeah, that's what I am doing. I'm wrapping up my heating pad, about to put it away. All right, now I am about to wrap my hand, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Right now, like I said, it's in my freezer, so I am just going to wrap my hand, take out all the parts that I have to use. I need to get a new brace. This brace has seen its days. I've been using this for months now, and they just diagnosed me with something, so they're just now figuring out what I have. But I have one appointment to start getting treated for it, so yeah, I guess they just want me to suffer. But yeah, all right, so this is my compression sleeve I have to put on. I put it on. It does have like the little hole thing, but I typically don't use that because I wear this all day and it hurts. It starts to hurt in between here, so yeah. Is this the one I wanted? I think this is my older one. I don't want this one. Do I? Is this the older one? Yeah, that's still, you know what? Honestly, I don't know. No, this is the newer one. I had the right one. It just looked old. Put my compression glove on. So that. I can't put it too tight because the swelling, it cuts off the swelling and then my whole hand will become swollen. So I do it just right. And then my little raggedy brace. And then I'm done. That's it. I try to hide that, the part of the sleeve. And then I am ready for the day. But yeah, that's all I gotta do with this thing right here. I am not hungry, so I am not gonna make me any breakfast. I don't know what time I'm gonna eat, but I guess I will pick you guys up a little later today. Bye. All right, so I am about to have my fenugreek water this morning. This is fenugreek seeds in here, and I just put like distilled water or drinking water or whatever we got. Now I'm about to have a cup of it. It smells like maple syrup, but it tastes like the earth. So, and this is to help clear up my face. If you guys can see, it is looks horrible. And I had to stop drinking it. Why? I don't know, because it does so well when it comes to, what's in my hair? But it does so well when it comes to clearing up your face. Yeah. So, you know what, screw it. It does so well when it comes to clearing up your face. So I might have a cup while I am sitting down trying to work. All right, I'm on my lunch break and I am about to do my afternoon walk. So every afternoon I walk around our neighborhood to get some exercise in, even though it's like 100 degrees here in the south. But I typically do it when I go on my lunch break. So that is what I'm doing now. I don't know if I showed my outfit this morning or not. I can't honestly remember. Oh yeah, because I was making my bed. Well, you know, there's that. But yeah, about to just walk. Oh, I forgot to set my timer. I always gotta set my timer to remind me when I head back home, because I just keep walking and walking. So let me set my timer to remind me, hey, head back home so you can clock back in on time. All right, there we go. All right, you guys, I ain't about to do nothing but walk. So I'll pick you guys up later. I made it back home. I've walked for about 35, 40 minutes. I'm tired. That heat is insane. I am burning up. I don't know if you guys can see the sweat on my forehead, but it's hot, hot. It is right now, Jesus, come on, 91 degrees. Oh, Jesus. It is, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, 91 degrees. Insane. And I went out walking like a crazy person. It's only supposed to get up to 92. It is supposed to start we might be getting some rain starting at 9 tonight. And then we're supposed to get some tomorrow too. Or we're supposed to get some for the rest of the several days. For the next 10 days we're supposed to get rain, but we shall see which days that we actually get rain. I need to make my way over to my sister's house because that's where my garden is. You guys can follow my other channel, but it's vegan. If you want to know anything about gardening, I mean, we can learn together because this is only my second year. But yeah, my garden is over my sister's house. But since we moved, I no longer live 20 minutes, or not 20 minutes, 10 minutes from her. We live 30 minutes from her now. Yeah, sucks. But I do need to make my way over there. It just be so hot. And by the time I get off, I was like, I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to drive that 30 minutes there, nor do I want to drive the 30 minutes back. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to just rest until it's time for me to clock back in from lunch. All right, so it is 5:30. I'm off of work. I've been off of work. I've been off for like 30 minutes now. What was that? I'm seeing things. Oh, it's the vacuum. Anyways, it's 5:30. I was gonna go to my sister's house to go to my garden, but I actually don't feel like it. So I am about to edit some videos, and that I felt something in my hair. I did want to make me some French fries, but I really don't feel like peeling potatoes, cutting potatoes, throwing them in the air fryer. Apparently I just want to be lazy. But anyways, probably, yeah, I'm gonna throw me some fries in the air fryer. Well, I gotta cut everything first, and then I'm gonna edit some videos. I made quesadillas yesterday, so I think I'm gonna warm me up a quesadilla as well. Quesadilla and fries. That sounds good. Yeah, that's what I think I'm about to do. Echo, add potatoes to my shopping list. I don't think we're gonna be having potatoes. These smell very earthy. I don't think these are good anymore. Yeah, these aren't good anymore. Bruh, they look fine. These dang old potatoes actually look fine, but the smell is off. Like, it's very strong. Never had a potato smell that strong. Then we got other potatoes. Let me actually see if those potatoes are any good. We got yellow potatoes. I mean, they got the things coming out of them, but those are still edible. I don't care if y'all don't eat y'all's, because guess what? I spent money on them. As long as they don't smell like those other ones, then we about to eat these. Yeah. All right. So let's see if these smell fine. Yeah, those potatoes smell super earthy. I don't think any of these potatoes good at this point. I think any of these potatoes good. How long we done had these things? So weird. So my hand is feeling a little off and it's cold and my fingers are turning blue. So I have to, excuse me, I have to, as you guys saw, I took everything off, but I need to get my heat pad and wrap my hand up in my heating pad. So while those fries are cooking, that is what I am about to do right now. And while I'm sitting here doing that, oh Jesus, I am also going to watch some YouTube and tell them what to do. So heating pad, 150. I don't need an hour. Usually it only goes up to like an hour and a half, and that is usually what, I don't know what I did with my remote. That's usually what I put it on, like at night, and then I'll wake up in the middle of the night and just keep putting it on an hour and a half, because it just makes my hand feel better. But right now my hand, I don't know if you guys can tell. Let's see if you can see the difference. Let's see if this can work. So this is what my hands look like. As you guys can see, this one is so much swollen compared to this, my regular hand. Yeah, so my fingers were turning blue as well. So heating pad, let's see if this works. I'll pick you guys up a little later, in a little bit, after I let my hand warm up, and hopefully some of the swelling goes down as well. But the tingling is all in my fingertips and I am not liking that. Not a good feeling. So I totally forgot to show you guys. I ate. I was being big back, y'all. I already ate. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys. But I still have the heating pad on my arm. Arm still, it feels a little better, but not that much. So just sitting on the floor because I've been outside and I'm not putting my outside clothes on my bed. But yeah, sitting on the floor with the heating pad on my hand. That's about it. I don't know if it's gone down a little or not, but it feels better. Like I said, my fingers aren't that tingly anymore, but it's still super swollen. My hand has been like this for like 2 months. I've been to several doctors. Whatever, I'm not even gonna talk about it. I don't think I'm doing anything else tonight. Like, yeah, I don't think I'm doing anything else tonight. But if I do, I'll pick you guys up. If not, thank you all so very much for joining me today. If you, what did I just say? I don't know. I was thinking and talking, but what I was thinking was totally different from what I was saying. Like I was saying, if I don't pick up the phone, yep, I'm tired. If I don't pick up the camera, thank you all so very much for watching today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye.